winter here in Manyata always. I'm staying in some another house. So we don't have a good food there. Means we don't have a live kitchen there where we can see how they're preparing the food and giving us. I'm worried about the food, so I just looking in some areas. I went outside of Manyata also, but I found this PG and I come and I see these areas and they showed me the live kitchen where they prepare the food. I like that. Even I taste the food also. That is
And
good.
the add-on to this, no, the best part is like the rooms and the AC and they have a centralized AC. Very rarely you will get that particular things in the PGs, right? Along with the best part is the food. We are from the north, right?
Yeah.
So basically we want the food, the quality, north side
Basically, we
only.
want
The
chapati.
taste we
The
want.
taste.
So that is far better as compared to other
So
places.
you are saying food here is much better.
Food, the amenities we are getting there, it's like far better than other
Even I,
places.
even I add one more thing. If you work in Manyata, you also get a cab. No.
That's the plus point.
They provide cab facility to go to office.
So
There's a
Manyata,
particular
till
time
Manyata
period,
pick
yeah.
up and drop.
Oh, pick and drop. Oh, that's great. That's great.
Very rarely you'll get that particular facility. in the
How many times you will get food? Morning, evening, or
Three times you'll get.
Three times food.
Yeah.
It's the same menu all
Same,
around.
not same menu. They are changing on the weekly basis. Sometimes they will give puri, sometimes they will give chole bhature.
So you'll get a mix of south
Mix of
and
south
north
and
and
north.
everything, like
Catered to
Chinese
everyone.
and
Yeah.
everything you'll get.
Catered to everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, even in weekend days we will get meal also.
Do we have power backup over here?
Yeah, it's there only.
And parking?
Parking, yes, you can
Who's
park
parking?
two-wheeler, three-wheeler, anything is fine. Whatever
Who
you
has
have.
three-wheeler, yeah.
It's up to them only, whatever they want to park.
And major the point is that if you have any issues, the action should be taken as ASR. So need to wait for.
On that point, how is the caretaker or owner of this place? Does he come to you?
We never go to caretaker
Again,
on each other.
yeah.
Because from caretaker we will get all the facilities. If we have any issues, they will fix it for us.
So he is fully cooperating and supporting.
Even it's too friendly, bro. Like if you're telling your issue to the caretaker, like it does not take as a caretaker. It's like a friend. You're talking and you're telling your issue,
It's
and
like
it
to
got
fix it
fixed
as
within
soon as
like this
possible.
only.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
And how
so-
do you spend your weekend? Do we have play area or
Like
something?
we have n number of things to play. Pool table is there. 2 TT tables are there.
Chess,
Football.
carrom.
There are gym things as well. So
Oh.
there's a good time pass you have.
Oh, I think so.
And the I visit many people who stay in that is also so friendly. So
Yeah, yeah.
you will get interact.
So I basically I will tell like if anyone wants to take any PG within a budget, so they can go come here and stay for like whatever time
So
period they want.
once you
to have.
stay, you never go. If I talk about my and last experience, we are almost around 2 years we are staying in this.
Oh,
place.
हाँ.